Ha?
Hey, I'm Mina. This is day 1 of surviving.
Mina, nakita ko yung project mo. Pusa na may sunglasses. Sa English class pa talaga.
Artistic freedom? Ma, expression yun! Expression?
Paka-expression ng katamaran. Grabe anak. Yung iba essay pinapasa, sa'yo meme.
At least, memorable, di ba? Sino po kaya may ganun sa buong batch?
See? Even sandwich is rebelling. Pati pagkain mo nag-e-express ng freedom.
B, wala sandwich! Kulit mo talaga, anak. But seriously, Mina, we're proud of you. Kahit ano pa yan, hindi man ang masterpiece, mahal ka namin.
Always anak, kahit anong mangyari.
Love you din! Kahit yun na-judge yung mga memes ko!
Oh my god, me too, me too. Oh my god, girl, I should be today.
What kind of classroom is this? So noisy, girls!
My God, girls! Uy, nandiyan na si Mina. Alam niyo ba, may dalawa siyang nanay. Anong feeling? 2 moms? Kaya pala ganun? Nalilito! Ano ba yan, Mina?
Pwede ka na sa LGBTQ parade.
Mina, frontliners ka!
In class, our discussion for today is about adjectives. So what is adjective? Adjectives for describe people.
Hi, Ako nga pala si Mina. Day 1. I'm surviving ulit. Kung may nanonood man, okay lang, kahit wala. Gusto ko lang naman may makinig.
Grabe, napanood mo yung vlog niya kagabi? Rich! Day 1 of surviving? Ang drama. Kala mo naman pelikula.
Well, kung sino man yung aspiring content creator natin, may fans ka na, Mina.
Day 1 of surviving, di ba?
Cute, pa-victim ka naman.
Oh guys, baka may day 2 pa. Paiyak-iyak na naman para may content sa vlog.
Gusto mo ng likes? I-share ko pa sa group chat. Instant fame. Ang pathetic mo, umiyak ka na lang sa bahay, wag na dito. You know what? We've been bullying you for years at hindi kami nagsasawa. At salamat, Mina, for keeping us entertained.
Ano to? Siniserye? Hindi ako interesado, okay?
You see me? Wow, congrats! Hindi ibig sabihin kilala mo na ako.
You don't need to exchange to be loved.
Hi, Mina. Ikaw si El? Kala ko dito ba lang? Dito ka pa pala ng post mo. I've been hopeless. Ano gusto mo, ha? Dulos with 2 months? Ulit? May panood-nood pa? Gusto mo award?
No, gusto ko lang malaman na hindi ka mag-isa.
Ba't ka ba nagkaraga?
Kasi minsan, yung pinaka-naiinis, yun yung pinaka-nasasaktan.
Hindi ako sanay na may hindi pa.
Then start here. Nothing more is enough.
Hey, it's me again, Mina. So, you guys notice Something from my last vlog?
Someone asked, who's been making me smile lately?
Are you gonna tell them or keep me a secret forever?
You're not exactly rookie, Lyra.
Hi, I'm Lyra. Sorry for crashing the vlog, but
Actually, I'm not. She's been ruining my emotional damage aesthetic.
she jokes a lot. Pero naging matapang ka talaga na pinayagan mong maramdaman ulit ang mga bagay.
Well, yeah. It's kinda hard not to. I used to think no one would ever get me. Like, really get me.
No, I get you, Lina.
I used to think I was too much, too weird, and too broken.
You're not broken. You're just someone who's still healing, and that's beautiful.
And you're kinda beautiful too, you know. First date natin together. Sana magustuhan niya.
Perfect na anak. Lyra will love it.
Hanggang kailan natin ito kahayahan?
Baka kailangan mo tayo na yan. Maybe Lyra is real after all.
Baka traffic lang! Hindi siya ganun. Hindi siya ganun.
Anak, pwede ba tayong mag-usap?
Bakit? Darating siya! Sandali lang!
Mina! Wala si Lyra! Hindi siya darating!
Darating siya!
Baka may emergency sa kanila, kaya hindi siya makapunta rito.
No! Sabi niya, darating siya. She's excited to meet you guys.
Maybe another time.
Can you stop all this nonsense? You! Stop tolerating your daughter's delusions. It's clear na may problema siya.
Delusions? What's the problem? Are you trying to say na hindi totoo si Lyra? Anak, we hear you talking. We hear you laughing. Pero mag-isa ka.
Madam Mina, the snack is served.
Let me guess. It's ubi bread again?
Of course! I'm always here as long as you need me.
Nina?
Tanggapin na to. She's always talking to someone who's not there.
Maybe she's just recording a vlog again.
Even when there's no camera on?
Lyra, salamat at nandito ka. Salamat at hindi ka nagsasawang kausapin ako. Salamat at hanggang ngayon,
Para bang
nandito ka pa
may
rin.
kausap talaga siya?
Huwag mo sana ako iiwan.
She's really talking to someone who's not there. Maybe it's just a part of her process. You saw how happy she looked. We wanted her to open up, right? Pero paano kung this is something more serious? You talk to me now gently. Nina?
Oh, hey! I didn't hear you. I was just talking to Lyra.
Lyra?
Is she still here? Yeah, she's sitting right here. We were just hanging out.
That's nice, sweetheart. We haven't met her yet, have we?
No, but you'd like her. She's kind. She's funny.
You know what? Why don't you invite her for a dinner one of these nights?
We'd love to meet the person who makes you laugh like that.
Really? You will do that?
Of course. Anyone important to you is important to us.
Yes, a proper dinner. Maybe this weekend?
Okay, I'll ask her. You hear that? She said yes.
You need to see some professionals.
I'm not crazy. No, that's not what we meant, Nina. You just need to see some. I'll prove you wrong.
Papakita ko sa inyo. Manonood tayo. Makikita natin siya.
Mina, Mina. 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 Mina.
Take your time, Mina. Walang pressure dito, ha? This is a safe place. It's everything. All of it. Lyra's videos. I thought she was real. She helped me. She made me feel loved. But it was all me. What do you do with this place? Remind me of someone who could love you in the world. That's not shameful anymore. That's incredibly great. And now you are here. And you don't have to carry this alone. Someone to see her, even if she was only in my mind. She was in my mind, protected herself from best being
Client Mina Saito, 16 years old, presenting symptoms included dissociative coping behaviors, emotional withdrawal, and identity fragmentation, particularly in the form of an idealized companion Lyra, manifested in self-directed videos and roleplay. The condition is reflective of dissociative identity defense mechanisms tied to complex trauma stemming from bullying, social alienation, and internalized shame related to family structure.
This is where it happened. Where I felt like I could be someone worth seeing. Lyra sat right here. She always sat just a little closer than necessary. Like she didn't care what people thought. But no one ever saw her. I did, and maybe that was enough for a while. I made this for her. I don't know if you leave things behind for someone who was never real. But I think she was real in the way I needed her to be. She held me together. You know, guys, my therapist told me once in our sessions, Lyra was real. Real in the way my mind needed her to be. She wasn't a ghost or a delusion. She was part of me, the part that believed in hope when the rest of me couldn't. Thank you, Lyra. I'll keep going from here. And if anyone watches this, maybe you'll think I'm crazy, but I don't think I am. I think it was just trying to survive. This will be the end of our story. My story. Always be kind. But your story still matters. You matter. This is Mina.